This is a great time to buy. Signed, DJT. This is what Donald J. Trump tweeted on Wednesday on his Truth Social account at 9:37 a.m. And when your president says something like that, it has got to make an impact. And that is what happened in the US markets. Less than 4 hours later, he announced a 90-day pause on nearly all tariffs except for China. This led to a stock market frenzy. By close, the S&P 500 jumped 9.5%, reclaiming nearly $4 trillion in market value, about 70% of what was lost in the prior 4 sessions. However, the timing raised eyebrows and raised an even bigger question. Was it insider information? Was it a coincidence? How did it coincide with Trump's big announcement? Trump critic and former White House ethics lawyer Richard Painter said, "He's loving this control over markets, but he better be careful." He also pointed out that securities laws ban trading on insider knowledge or enabling others to do so. Painter also said the people who bought when they saw that post made a lot of money. Now, this was bound to raise questions. Did Trump already know he'd be announcing the tariff pause when he made that post? When asked about his tariff decision timing, Trump said, "I would say this morning. Over the last few days, I've been thinking about it." He added, "fairly early this morning" at the end. White House spokesperson Kush Desai defended the post as a move to reassure the markets amid non-stop media fear-mongering. Another detail to notice is that Trump ended his post with DJT. Now, one might think it just stands for Donald J. Trump. However, DJT is also the stock ticker for Trump Media and Technology Group Corp., his company and the owner of Truth Social. No one knows the intention behind the signature, as Trump often ends posts with DJT to indicate that he wrote them himself. However, investors piled into the stock, sending it up 22.67%, double the broader market gain, despite the company reporting a $400 million loss last year and having no link to tariff policy. Trump holds a 53% stake in Trump Media through a trust overseen by Donald Trump Jr. That stake surged in value by $415 million that day. Interestingly, Tesla, another company recently praised by Trump, narrowly beat Trump Media's gain with a rally that added $20 billion to Elon Musk's wealth. Donald Trump maintains his strategy is effective. We don't want to hurt countries that don't want to be hurt, and they all want to negotiate. Is this just a temporary breather, or is a bigger problem looming? Only time will tell. Keep watching ET for more.